Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Airdrop World. Friends, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. So friends, the Zappermint project. So here is the new bounty program. Zappermint 6,33,000 bounty program, dollars bounty program. So here is the white paper link. So we can join it. So we can read the details about this project. So introduction about the Zappermint ecosystem. This is based on dApps playing games. So user can earn rewards in Zap tokens by using games and playing games that integrate the Zappermint login system. Those apps were dApps, ZApps. In order to earn ZApps rewards, a minimum amount of USDN needs to be started in the Zappermint. Zappermint's smart contracts. The amount of USDN from users is collected and this pool of USDN an annual yield is generated. A small percentage of the profit goes to the Zappermint for support, network cost, buffer, loyalty and providing liquidity. The profit will be distributed to the developers and publishers that use the Z app. This distribution is allocated in two ways, the standard pool and the bonus pool. So here is the staking pool, and so you can also stake coins and earn good rewards. So all Z apps will keep track of your screen time through a dynamic NFT non-fungible token. So per app is this data will only be recorded in itself and nowhere else. Your hours played in then used to earn Z app rewards as per user. User cause Z app inflation because they mint Z app when playing games या apps through support Zappermint. This increases the total supply of Z app, causing the token to decrease. A deflation system is introduced on the developer side to counter the inflation effects. So this is a white paper of Zappermint. So all the details are in this white paper. So we can read it. So you can read it through all the details by using this white paper. So here is the website of Zappermint. So total supplied is 2 billion or token allocation. So reference price $0.05 USD, soft cap, hard cap. So it is a ERC20 in Ethereum based token. So token distribution, as you can see that token distribution is start from 14 January to 14 February 2021. So here the details. So here is the bounty link. So bounty starts from week 1 starts from 14 January to 20 January. So here is the all the distribution of the bounty distribution, Twitter campaign, all other campaigns. So here are the rules. So you can join you must join these links, these groups or forum group. So this is the proof authentication link, or here is the Twitter campaign. So if you have more than 300 followers, you will receive $4 per week in tokens. But if you have 2000 plus followers, you will receive 160 Z app tokens, approximately value to $8 per week in tokens. So if you have more followers, you will earn more from this platform. So from this project. So here is the spreadsheet. There are limited number of participants. The amount of places is limited to 100. So as soon as possible you can join this project to participate in this bounty. So here is the Facebook campaign. So here are also some rules. You have to post 2 shares per week with these hashtags, or 2 at least posts per week with these hashtags, or mention the Zappermint Facebook page in their post. So you must also have to like any 3 posts in our page, share the bounty post every 2 weeks, and post without text are not accepted. So keep it in mind. So if you have 300 plus friends, you will receive $2 per week in token. The minimum requirement is 300 friends to participate in the Facebook bounty. But if you have 3000 plus friends, you will receive $8 per week in the tokens. So here is the Telegram link, Telegram campaign. You can join it by using this link. So if you have a group which have 300 plus members, you will receive $3 per week in tokens, Zap tokens. So here is the YouTube bounty program. So if you have 300 subscribers, or these are the minimum requirements of the video, so you can participate in the bounty program. Here are the some rules, so must follow the rules. Or there are some Twitter profile, Zappermint, or this is a Facebook Zappermint profile. So you can join it, and first you have to like the page, and then you can, so you will receive all the updates from the Zappermint. So all your stakes in the Zappermint bounty program, you will be available to withdrawal from 14 March, and will be all your stakes equivalent tokens will be available in the Zappermint website. So you have to pre-register in this website by joining through your email address. So must join the Zappermint website to receive all your and connect your MetaMask. So your all tokens will be directly available in the Zappermint website. So you can withdraw it through Zappermint website. Thank you so much for watching my video.